Hypertension, signs and symptoms. The main symptoms and signs are dizziness, nausea, vomiting, nosebleeds, fainting, fatigue, shortness of breath, blurred vision, chest pain. So these are the symptoms of hypertension. എല്ലാവരും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത് ഗൈസ് കംപ്ലീറ്റായിട്ട് വായിക്കാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക ഹൈപ്പർ ടെൻഷൻ്റെ സിംറ്റംസ് Hi guys. Hi guys, these are the signs and symptoms of hypertension. That means high blood pressure. Normal blood pressure value is 120/80 mmHg, and if it's more than 140/90, and it will be considered as high BP, moderately high. So yes, these are the symptoms of hypertension. എല്ലാവരും ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യാനും സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാനും മറക്കരുത് ഗൈസ്. സോ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ബി പി കൂടിയാലുള്ള ലക്ഷണങ്ങൾ. Hi guys, these are the symptoms of hypertension. So the symptoms and signs are dizziness, nausea, vomiting, nosebleed, fainting, fatigue, that means tiredness and shortness of breath, blurred vision and chest pain. So if you have any symptoms, and that means there's a chance of hypertension, that is high BP. Hi guys, please do like and subscribe my channel friends. Hi Abu Sufyan, hi. So yes guys, these are the symptoms of hypertension, and how to control the hypertension. That's how reduce the use of salt in your daily consumption, and do more exercise, and control weight, and should stop or quit smoking and alcohol drinking. And if you are taking medication for high blood pressure, then take medicine as per your physician prescribed. Do not take more medicine or um, more medicine, or just change the time other than the physician prescribed. Don't do that. These are the symptoms of hypertension friends. Hi guys. So yes guys, these are the symptoms of hypertension, and the normal value of blood pressure is 120 bar 80 mmHg. If it's go to the 140 bar 90, then it's not normal, it's high BP. Okay, then please check your BP. And if it's more than usual, then please go and check and consult a physician. Yes guys, if you are new to my channel, please to subscribe my channel and like my live also friends. These are the signs and symptoms of hypertension, high BP, dizziness. I feel like you have a dizziness like vertigo and nausea, vomiting. If in some persons there will be nosebleeds when the BP is high, and someone will faint and feel fatigue, more tired than usual, and there is a shortness of breath, breathing difficulty, and increased heartbeat and blurred vision, chest pain. These are all the signs and symptoms of hypertension. Please do like my live and subscribe my channel friends. Hi all. Like here, subscribe here. These are the symptoms of hypertension friends. So yes guys, these are the signs and symptoms of hypertension. Please do like and subscribe my channel. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് എല്ലാം വായിക്കാം. BP കൺട്രോൾ ചെയ്യാൻ ഉപ്പിൻ്റെ ഉപയോഗം കുറയ്ക്കുക, അതുപോലെ സ്ഥിരമായിട്ട് വ്യായാമം ചെയ്യുക, ശരീരഭാരം നിയന്ത്രിക്കുക, പുകവലി മദ്യപാനം ഒഴിവാക്കുക, അതുപോലെ മെഡിസിനൊക്കെ ഡോക്ടർ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ കഴിക്കുക, ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. And guys, these are the symptoms of hypertension, and hypertension is a lifestyle disease, so you should change your lifestyle if you have high blood pressure. And guys, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like my live also. These are the signs and symptoms of high BP, hypertension. They are dizziness, nausea, vomiting. In some people's there will be a nose bleeding and fainting, fatigue, over tiredness and shortness of breath, and blurred vision and chest pain and increased heartbeat. These are all the symptoms of high blood pressure. The normal pressure is 120 bar 90 mmHg. If it's 140 bar 90, then it's not normal and you should consult a physician and check your BP consistently. Hi guys. Hi guys. So these are the symptoms of signs and symptoms of hypertension. Please read everything and please do subscribe my channel and like my live also. Hello friends, please do like my live and subscribe my channel. Hi friends. So yes guys, please do like my live and subscribe my channel. These are the symptoms of signs and symptoms of blood pressure. Okay, high blood pressure. Hello guys, please do like my live and subscribe my channel friends. Yes guys, these are the symptoms of hypertension and please do like my live, subscribe my channel. Yes friends, please do like my live and subscribe my channel. Hi all. Hi friends. So hypertension is also known as high blood pressure. It happens when blood pushes too hard against your artery walls. Okay. Then normal blood pressure is below 120/80 mmHg. And high pressure is consistently 130/80 millimeter per millimeter mercury or higher. It's like 140/90 that considered as high blood pressure. Okay, and also The hypertension is also known as silent killer because some persons they will not be a warning sign, so their BP is discovered while routine checkup or somehow. Okay. Hi friends, please do like my live and subscribe my channel. And the high blood pressure means your brain is pushing too forcefully against your artery walls, and many people have this condition but don't know it because it usually has no symptoms. Okay, and without treatment it can lead to heart attack, stroke, dementia, kidney disease, and other issues like loss of vision and everything. So, yes, early diagnosis and treatment can be life saving. Okay, so the hypertension value is 130 bar 80 or 130 bar 90, then it's considered as high BP. Okay. Hypertension is a lifestyle disease and it's a common condition in which the force of blood pushing against your artery walls is constantly too high, and this makes your heart work harder to pump blood. So, over time, the hypertension damages your blood vessels and heart, that leading to serious complication like heart attack or stroke. So hypertension should be treated, otherwise it will cause heart attack, stroke, kidney issues, and maybe dementia, loss of vision, and there are some complication because of the high blood pressure if untreated. Okay. Then common causes are cause of blood pressure is genetics, aging, smoking, alcohol consumption, and non getting enough physical activity, and certain under medical condition can also cause blood pressure. So often high blood pressure doesn't have symptoms until it causes sudden harm to your heart, kidney, or brain. So that's why it's called silent killer. Hi friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and like my live also. There is something called hypertensive emergency, that means high blood pressure is damaging your organs and causing symptoms like chest pain, seizure, that means fits, or severe headache. That is a medical emergency that requires immediate care. Okay, and the symptoms of signs and symptoms of high blood pressure is dizziness, nausea, vomiting, in some persons nosebleed, fainting, fatigue, shortness of breath, blurred vision, chest pain. So yes guys, please do like my live and subscribe my channel. The risk factors for high blood pressure are uh, the aged person, that is being over age 55 and having a history of hypertension in your biological family, smoking or using of tobacco product, having overweight or obesity, and eating foods high in sodium, salt consumption, more salt consumption in your food, that is also cause high blood pressure, and not getting enough physical activity, drinking too much alcohol, and using stimulant drugs like amphetamine that aren't prescribed for you. So it can also cause high blood pressure. So the other symptoms uh, also included the confusion, disorientation, or other changes to your thinking, chest pain, dizziness, edema, swelling, heart palpitation, being less than usual, seizure or severe headache, signs of stroke like sudden face droop, slurred speech or sudden arm or leg weakness, vision changes like eye pain, vision loss or sudden blurry vision. These are the symptoms of extremely high blood pressure level. Okay, so this the hypertension signs and symptoms are dizziness, nausea, vomiting in some persons, nosebleed, fainting, fatigue, shortness of breath, blurred vision, and chest pain. So yes guys, these are the symptoms of blood pressure. So the complications of long term high blood pressure, if the blood pressure is untreated, it may lead to chronic kidney diseases, dementia, coronary artery diseases, the complication. If hypertension is untreated, then there is a chance of chronic kidney diseases, coronary artery disease, heart attack, heart failure, uh, damage to your eyes, that is retinopathy, hypertensive retinopathy, then stroke. These are the complications of untreated hypertension. So change your lifestyle if you have hypertension, reduce salt intake, and do more exercise, lose your weight, and stop or avoid alcohol drinking, smoking. This is how you can control your hypertension, and these are the signs and symptoms of hypertension: dizziness, nausea, vomiting, fainting, fatigue, shortness of breath, blurred vision, and chest pain. And in some persons, there will be nosebleed are also seen. So normal blood pressure value is 120/80 mmHg, and if it's more than 130/80 or 130/90, it's considered as high blood pressure. Okay. Hello guys, please do like my live and subscribe my channel, friends. Hi guys. Hi guys, please do like my live and subscribe my channel. Hi friends. These are the signs and symptoms of hypertension: dizziness, nausea, vomiting, fainting, fatigue, shortness of breath, blurred vision, chest pain. So yes guys, ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ലൈവിൽ ഡിസ്കസ് please do like my live and subscribe my channel friends. Hello guys. So that's all about hypertension signs and symptoms. Okay guys.